Hello guys, thank you for joining my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. On today's video, I want to show you how to make viazi karai or bajia, if you may like. So for today's menu, I'll need to make the viazi karai, and I also need to make the sauce or kachumbari. I won't make a sauce, I'll make a kachumbari for the viazi karai. So for the viazi karai, I'll need potatoes that are already pre-boiled. I already pre-boiled my potatoes. I cut them to this size, then I pre-boil them. So while pre-boiling, you make sure you don't leave it to be too soggy. This one is already pre-boiled. So this is what I'll use. You can also reduce them in size in case you find that some are big. You can try and reduce them in size. Like I can see some are a bit bigger, but inakatika. Just be gentle with it, like that. So this is ready for cooking the viazi karai. This is about 8 to 10 potatoes. While you're pre-boiling, you put salt so that by the time you're cooking, your potatoes are already salted. I'll also need flour. That's for the potatoes. I also need flour, 1 cup of flour, just normal flour, normal wheat flour. Then I'll also need a cup of water, a cup of flour and a cup of water. I will also need salt. This is egg yellow food coloring. This is turmeric. I normally mix turmeric and egg yellow because turmeric has a good taste. And this is just my seasoning. Let me show you the one I'm using. I'm using this one. It is this beef masala that I'm using. I'm just using it because I like the taste. You don't have to use it, it's optional. So that is what is inside here. And what else do I need? I know you're asking this one. I know for the kachumbari, I'll need dania. Okay, for the butter for coating the potatoes, I will also need some bit of dania. You can also add how do we call it, ndimu. You can also add ndimu to that butter, at least to give it a taste. But because I'm making this one and I know my children are going to eat and they really don't like the sour taste, that's why I'm not putting ndimu inside here. But ndimu also gives a very nice taste to viazi karai. So for the kachumbari, I'll need, this is just half an onion, the large one, it's half. And then this is 1 tomato. I know you're asking yourself why it's shiny. Yeah, I blanched it in oil to help so that I'm able to remove the cover easily. And then also the dania. So let's proceed without further ado. So this is my bowl. This is where I'll do the mixing. So in a bowl, I'll just take this, pour it in a bowl. You can sieve. I've already sieved mine. Then you take the water. It doesn't have to be hot or warm. This is just cold water. And I'll put a cup. See, it's a cup. So I'm doing a ratio of 1 to 1. Then I take my whisk and just mix like this. But it's a bit thick, so when you find it's a bit thick, you can add some more water because this is a bit thick. It's a bit thick, so I'm adding a little, just a little water. The paste needs to be like that one of that one for making pancakes, not too thick and not thin. Hapo tu katikati, that one for making pancakes. Then hapa is where now I add these ones. I add hii yangu nimetumia hadi iko karibu kuisha. This is egg yellow. I'm adding egg yellow to the butter. See, now my butter is smooth, but I need it to be deep orange or deep yellow, so I'll add some more egg yellow. Itabidi nimeenda kununua egg yellow ingine yake for next time. Nipa kidogo, and then taongeza turmeric. I'm measuring with my eyes, but you can put just half a teaspoon. Sio mingi, half a teaspoon is just okay. And this is my beef beef masala. This is my beef masala. I'm just putting it because I like the taste, and even my babies also love the taste. That's why I'm putting beef masala, but that is optional. You don't have to do it if you don't like the taste of it. And after we will put the salt. Remember, we already put salt on the potatoes. So here we're just putting a little salt, not too much. Not too much, not too little. You can taste actually. Bado, just taste. I can't tell you a pinch of salt. No, you put the salt, then taste. It's not a crime to taste. It's just butter. That's enough for me. That's enough for me. Okay. So after that, you add the dania. Just a generous amount for that taste. Then my oil is here. I let my oil heat. I already heat it kidogo, but I'll let it heat some more. So this is just ready. It is ready. Okay. And then now for the kachumbari, I'll do it kabisa kabisa. As the oil gets ready, I'll do the kachumbari. So kachumbari, when you look here, utaona my onions are in water. The reason why I place the onions inside this water is to remove that bitter taste in onions. This kind of onions, the red onions, are normally very bitter. So kutoa hiyo ukali, so that my kachumbari isitoke ile kachumbari iko na ukali, I put my onions in water with some salt and I'll let it soak. Then now I'll just wash it. I'll just wash the onions. I'll just wash the onions and drain. So I'll put the onions here. So this is where I'm making my kachumbari. Nitaweka hivyo. Alafu nichukue dania kidogo niweke. Some little dania. You love the taste. It's usually a very nice taste. Then now I'll start working on this. See, now I'll just be peeling because I blanched it. Kuitoa sasa ni rahisi. Naitoa tu hivyo hivyo tu. So, sorry guys, I realized my camera paused before niendelee. So this is the tomatoes at nyanya. The tomatoes, I just cut it, then I just mix it like this. I didn't make a lot because we were just a few in the house. I don't want to make a lot of kachumbari, I love to get spoiled. So just like this. Then I put some salt. Just a pinch of salt. And let it rest. That resting is also good. Inafanya the kachumbari, all the tastes come in together. So my kachumbari looks like this. I'll place it there. And now I'm back here. My oil, by now my oil is almost ready. Let me push it like this. Just a little. Yeah, there. My oil is here, and by now my oil is ready. So while making the bhajias, I'll just take this, dip it inside. Okay guys, me, I'm afraid of kuchomeka, so I'll need a spoon. Mimi sipendi kuchomeka. I'll do this. Put kadha, like mini. Kadha is many. Those are not who don't understand Swahili. Kadha is many. So put many like this. Then I just scoop and put in the oil. Let's wait for those ones to cook. Ngoja ziive vizuri. So for the flour, you can either use the normal wheat flour for chapatis, or you can mix gram flour and wheat flour. If you have gram flour, you can use gram flour and wheat flour. Also gives a nice taste. Gram flour is tasty. second batch is also ready. Just remove it. And serve. Blend the oil well nicely. So we're done with the cooking. It's now time for presentation. You'll realize that when you look at my bhajia, it is not soggy. It's just the right texture. Soft inside, nicely, and outside is dry. It's not soggy. So now we are going to present it by just put a little kachumbari on the dania that you want to eat, like this. Yeah, and it's ready for consumption. You can try this at home. I'm sure your kids or your family will love it. So lovely. It's nice. That's all for today. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting more and more videos on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe so that every time I post a video, you become notified. You become among the first people to be notified of my video. There are more videos to come, more cooking videos, more recipes are coming. So stay welcome, stay blessed. Until next time, thank you and bye.